Hey guys, this is Divyansh. Welcome to the channel. This video is all about if you have paper on 26th of this month, full stack development BIS601. So I have made and you are stressed about it. So I have made a passing package. If you study from this passing package, you will just not pass the exam, but you will get great marks in the exam. So before showing you the passing package, I'll show you the reference for the passing package, basically from where I have prepared the passing package. So this is the first paper. This is December, January 2025, 2026 BIS 601 paper. Then June, July 2025 BIS 601 same code paper. Then a TIE sample paper basically, and another TIE paper B based on R scheme only 2022. So this is the passing package. So before showing you the passing package, please subscribe the channel, like the video. Yeah. So this is the passing package. Uh, I have just not thrown all the questions in this package. I have divided the question module wise. Module 1, Module 2, Module 3, Module 4, and Module 5. In each and every module, you'll see there are some core, very important questions, and there are some extra questions. So basically, core questions are the most repeated questions, most repeated ones. So in every module, you'll see there are five core questions, and some extra questions, basically three or four extra questions. Extra questions are the questions which have occurred one time or two time in the paper but are not very important. The very important one are these five questions which have been appearing in the exam multiple times. So you have to study these questions. And also I want to announce one thing, that I am working hard to bring module wise explanation videos on this topic. So please do subscribe the channel, and for click the notification button to get notified that when the video will come. And yeah, if you want to download the PDF, any paper PDF, December, January, July, June, TI paper, or my passing package, if you want to download, you can check the description. In the description, you'll get a WhatsApp channel link, my WhatsApp channel link. Go and follow the WhatsApp channel. On that for WhatsApp channel, I'll upload all the PDFs. So yeah, this was for this video. Thank you so much for seeing the video. Please like, please do subscribe my channel, and join the WhatsApp channel also. Thank you. Good luck for your exam.